Hello, all, welcome. Like we discussed in the last video, we will be starting off with mathematics, that is, statistic fundamentals from data to decisions. All right, let's get started. So, in the very first module, we are going to discuss absolute basics like descriptive statistics. So, this will answer questions like what does my data look like? In here, we will be understanding the data, cleaning the data, and summarizing the data. And the very important topic would be measures of central tendency. We often underestimate this particular topic, but you will now know how powerful this is. Now, central tendency is basically that one value that will best represent your data. All right, in here we will be discussing mean, median, and mode. And next comes measures of dispersion. Now, this will give us brief understanding on how spread out our data is. And under measures of dispersion, we have range, variance, standard deviation, and IQR. And in the second module, we will be discussing relationships and probability. So, under this, we will be studying bivariant data and covariance, correlation coefficient, and probability fundamentals. And one of the most important one, conditional probability. So, this will not just answer questions like what are the chances of rain, but also answers questions like what are the chances of rain given that it's cloudy. Bayes theorem. It is the single most important concept in probability. We often think it is very complicated, but it is absolutely not. If you only understand, it's very easy and very important at the same time. And next, we will be discussing the common data patterns, understanding distributions. Under this, we will be studying uniform distribution, binomial distribution, Poisson distribution, normal distribution. There are other distributions also, but these are the common distributions that we need to focus on. And next comes inference statistics. This is all about making guesses about the world, but with data. So, under this, we will have central limit theorem, standard error, hypothesis testing, false positive, false negative, etc. And under module 5, we will be studying building predictive models. Under this, we will be studying linear regression, error metrics, R squared, and advanced models. We will also be learning overfitting, underfitting, and all of this. And next comes testing group differences. Under this, we will be learning one way ANOVA, two way ANOVA, F ratio,